Okay, so the way this works is I'm going to ask Morgan a question about either herself or life or anything, and she can only answer it with one word. So, for example, Morgan, are you male or female?
Female.
Good, see, that's how it works. Next question. How do you feel about abortion?
Awful.
Good, see, she's got this. Okay, are you a terrorist?
No.
Good. What's your favorite color?
Black.
See, this is good, she's got it. Okay, how old are you?
15. I forgot for a
You didn't
second.
think about it. What's your middle name?
Dawn.
Ugh. This is good. She's getting a hold of it. Okay. Favorite food?
Brownies.
Favorite actor? With one word.
Carrie.
Favorite movie? Okay, so now I'm asking her questions.
Okay, go ahead.
What's
Do
your
it.
favorite color? Pink. It's harder than it looks, isn't it? What's your favorite shoes? Favorite shoes?
Hey, that's two words.
I did not answer it. I was speaking. Dance go. Eye color. Blue. Height. 4. Favorite shape? Circle. What are you? A girl.
That's two.
Girl.
That's two. Got it. So, Morgan.
Lick the floor.
Now, no, I won't make her lick the floor.
That's unsafe.
What I will make you sing is, yes, what I will make you do is sing the national anthem as far out of key as possible while on your knees with your hands on your head.
Yay.
Okay.
I don't think I even know the national
Well,
anthem.
try.
Okay.
On your knees.
Is it Oh Say Can You See?
Yes. Hands,
Get on your
hands on your
knees.
head. Knees as out of key as you possibly can. And loud. Go for it.
Oh. Oh, say can you see my
In front of the cars.
Where do you want me to do it?
Oh my god!
One of you hold the doors. Right here?
Rain dance.
Dun 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 dun.
Do it while this car is, do it while this car is passing. Okay.